For our soup menu, we have sweet corn clear soup. Ingredients, we have carrots, onion and black pepper, sweet corn, garlic, salt, and 1 glass of water. In a cooker, we add water, carrots, sweet corn, garlic. After 2 minutes, we add corn water, and black pepper. And wait for 2 minutes to boil. Okay guys, it's already cooked. Wait for 2 minutes to serve. For our vegetable menu, we have ginisang sayote and carrots. Ingredients, we have salt, tomatoes, hot dog, carrots and sayote, garlic and oyster sauce, onion and black pepper, water, and oil. In a deep pan, you add oil, shoot of garlic and onion. And onion. Add the tomato and the sliced hot dog. You stir until it's fried. After that, you add 2 glasses of water. And add the carrots and sayote. After 2 minutes boiling, we add 1 sachet of oyster sauce. And stir to mix. Cook at least 2 minutes when vegetable is half done. Okay guys, it's already done. Wait until 1 minute to serve it. For starch menu, we have whole fried rice. Ingredients, onion, wag beaten egg, soy sauce, cooked rice, salt, and garlic. For frying, we add oil, salt, a garlic, and onion. Garlic, and onion. Add 3 cups of cooked rice. Stir until dissolved. Ito na, guys. Add one beaten egg. After that, add 1 fine sea salt. And add some soy sauce. After 2 minutes, wait for until 2 minutes. Our poo fried rice is already cooked. Wait 1 minute to serve. For our protein menu, we have estofado chicken. Ingredients: carrots and patatas, garlic, pineapple juice, fried chicken, salt, and onion. Heat the pan and put a little bit of oil. Add the onion. Garlic. Carrots and potatoes. And put a fried chicken and mix it well. And add the pineapple juice. Add the pineapple juice. And mix it well. After 3 minutes to boil. Good afternoon, sir. May I present to you my finished product? For soup menu, we have sweet corn clear soup. And for protein menu, we have chicken estofado. And for starch, we have poo fried rice. And last, for vegetable, we have ginisang carrots and sayote.